is Sophie, your French girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm going to show you a nice little studio located in a very good location in Cabarete. So if you want to come with me, and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, this is a nice little studio, great price in a very good location, walking distance to the town, to the beach, beautiful scenery here. You have two pools on the side, nice green area, barbecue, everything you need to enjoy your stay or to live here. So if you need more information, the price, the size, click the link below, subscribe, share and like, and we see you soon.